Hi, I am Venkatesh, Assistant Professor in EC Department at Rukuni College of Engineering and Technology. Now we are going to see a topic in Principles of Management. The topic title is Cost Control. Cost control. Cost control can be immediate savings and ensuring that business remain competitive in a long-term process. Cost control is a continuous process that begins with the proposed annual budget. The budget which helps the organization for running a long term to organize a coordination, production and the selling distribution, services, and administrative functions to make a maximum advantages of available opportunities. Continuation of cost control. For effective cost control, the most organizations use a standard cost control system in which the actual costs are compared against the standard cost of the performance, the evaluations, and the deviations and investigated for the remedial actions. Steps involved in cost control. Investigated procedures to detect the variations of actual cost for the budgeted cost. Diagnostic procedures to ascertain the cause of variation. Correction procedures to effect realignment between actual and budget costs. So it is usually asserted the productivity must be improved, but there will be a variation factors due to have low productivity. So traditional definitions of productivity cannot be applied to the knowledge of workers because of relative use of knowledges. Managers, engineers, and programmers are known as knowledge workers. The productivity of knowledge workers is more different to measure the compare of the skilled workers. The output of the knowledge workers is really some of the activities that helps to achieving objectives, engineering contributions within enterprises. Also, the quality of the output is different to measure. The effect of strategic decisions may not be the same the year of year. Also, the success or failure of decision depends on the several external factors. So several approaches for the improvements of their cost controls. So first one is financial statement. So the financial statement is a specific one which approach to define the improvement of their control cost. Formulations of objectives, performance against these objectives, effective reporting system, reinforcing good performance, knowledging of workers, principles and guidelines, recognition of good performance, preparing work model, emphasizing the goals of an organization, developing abilities to work with the people. So, in the financial statement presents a periodic view or reporters on the process of the management. They have view a present of status of investments in the business as also the result achieving during the particular period. There are a combinations of recosted fact according to conventional and professional judgments. So, since a good development teams to outsourcing companies must be implemented in the financial statements, which will give a best practices and it's use the maximums to use the available of tools to help them to increasing the productivity of each terms members and enables the team as delivering a maximum result. So in such employees and customers come first in the professional services of industries, IT outsourcing companies which will give a specific statement of their financial. So nowadays, if you have a good reputation about the delivering the outstanding services, the customers are facing it will facing the replacing the key moments of the financial statement. So next importance of financial statement. First importance to each and every management. Next importance to creditors. Third importance to a banker. Fourth importance to investors. Fifth importance to governments. Next limitations of financial statements. Financial statements are financially analyzed by only a mean of a person. It ignores price levels and changes. Financial statements are essentially intrinsic as a report. According to accountability of concept and conservations, it influences their personal judgments, which will disclose only a money factors. So a financial statement which will give a income statement. The income statement provides a financial summary of a company which are operating their results during a specific period. So although there are a prepared actually annually for reporting the purposes, they are generally computized monthly by management and quarterly for a tax purpose. So next the balance sheet. This is a snapshot of a business assets, what is owned or in owned, and it is liabilities where it is owned, and a particular day which is usually the last day of the financial period. Importance of balance sheet. It will tells about the financial position of an company. It will tells the liquidity position of an process. It will tells the balance of the debtors and creditors. It will tells about the liabilities and assets of the firm. It will tells economically capability of a firm. Opening the entry of the basic balance sheet will give a clear-cut idea. So there are three different types of control. One is purchase control. It provides a link between inventory control cost and the account of payable systems. It provides a means of recording the purchase order to place within the vendors and tracking the others to different phases of the see the product for each backgroundings of invoicing. Next, quality control. It is a concern with checking and relating the work that has been done. The basic goals of quality control is to ensure that the products, services, and processes provided to meet a specific requirements and the dependable, satisfactory, and fulfillment of the sound. Thank you.